get all my stuff out and have a look at this one, guys. So my sister prepared my baon last night. And have a look what she found. I just took it out from the fridge. Isn't she cute? Bless her. She put peanut. Para daw may snack ko. Gum. Baka siguro nababahuan na siya ng hininga ko. Chocolate, because I'm not fat enough. Coke, water, and I got rice with meat from last night, tocino. So yeah, oh, she's so sweet, guys. I love her. I love having her here. And that is my bag for today. Got keys and everything, guys, so I'm good to go. I will see you guys later. Bye. Yeah? Who's eating grapes? Who's eating grapes? Yes, I know, right? Again, like, you know, when I do my Do you have spinach? Huh? Me get chicken thigh now? For what? Huh? Teman. Yes, honey. Yes. Hi guys. We're home. And Paris just resting. Say hi. No, she just woke up from a short nap and we are watching GGV. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog here and thank you for watching. hope to see you guys in the next video. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Uy. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.